In the heart of the enchanted forest, where trees whispered secrets and streams sang melodies of old, there lived a young and courageous adventurer named Lila. With her trusty companion, a wise old owl named Orion, she embarked on a quest that would test her bravery and cunning.
Orion, do you see that glimmer up ahead? It must be the ruins where the sapphire crown lies hidden.
Indeed, Lila, but be wary, for legends speak of guardians and traps protecting such ancient treasures.
I am prepared, Orion. Together, we can face whatever challenges await us.
Their journey began at dawn, as the golden sun painted the sky with hues of orange and pink. Lila and Orion ventured deep into the forest, their senses sharp and their hearts filled with determination. Suddenly, they stumbled upon a band of mischievous goblins.
Look there, Lila. Goblins, lurking in the shadows. Shall we show them the strength of our resolve?
Agreed, Orion. Let's teach them a lesson they won't soon forget.
Their eyes gleaming with mischief. With a swift flick of her sword, Lila leaped into action, her movements graceful yet fierce. She fought with the strength of a lion and the agility of a panther, her every strike precise and calculated. Orion soared above, his keen eyes scanning the battlefield for any sign of danger. As the dust settled and the last goblin fled into the shadows, Lila and Orion continued on their quest.
Well fought, Lila. Your skill with the sword is truly unmatched.
Thank you, Orion, but we mustn't linger. Our next challenge awaits.
Their bond stronger than ever before. But their journey was far from over, for they soon encountered a treacherous maze guarded by a fearsome dragon.
A maze guarded by a dragon, they say. Are you ready to face such a formidable foe?
With you by my side, I fear no dragon, Orion. Let us press on.
With courage in her heart, Lila faced the dragon head-on, her sword shimmering in the dim light of the maze. She danced around its fiery breath, her movements fluid and determined. Orion swooped down from above, distracting the dragon with his mesmerizing flight. With a mighty roar, the dragon lunged forward, but Lila was ready. With a swift strike, she plunged her sword into its heart, vanquishing the beast and clearing the path ahead. Together, Lila and Orion emerged victorious, their spirits soaring high.
We did it, Orion. The path is clear. Now, let's retrieve the sapphire crown and fulfill our quest.
Finally, they reached the heart of the forest, where the legendary sapphire crown lay hidden among the ancient ruins. With reverence, Lila approached the crown, her hands trembling with awe. She knew that this crown held great power, but she...
Careful, Lila. Power such as this can be both a blessing and a curse.
She also knew that power without wisdom was meaningless.
You're right, Orion, but I promise to use it wisely for the good of all.
As she gazed upon the shimmering sapphires, Lila realized the true meaning of her quest. It was not just about conquering foes or overcoming obstacles. It was about finding the strength within herself to do what was right, even in the face of adversity. With a solemn vow to use the crown's power for the good of all,
its light is so gentle, yet so powerful. With this crown, I will strive to make our world a better place.
And with your courage and kindness, Lila, I have no doubt that you will succeed.
Lila placed it upon her head, its gentle glow illuminating the forest with a soft blue light. And as she and Orion journeyed home, they knew that their adventure had taught them a valuable lesson. That true courage lies not in the strength of one's heart,